Good morning, and we are live on one of the big days. Japanese market was down 5%, so are we looking at 5% down in one go today? I'm not sure, but let's see. Thank you all for joining. Have a great day. If you have positions open, then it's going to be a little tough closing them for current day's expiry. Remember, today is the expiry day, so you don't even have tomorrow to actually, get done with it. Today is the day. It will be done. सबका सब आज ही खत्म हो जाएगा जो भी इस महीने का है. So yes, thank you for joining again. ट्रम्प बाबा के चक्कर में we have ट्रम्प बाबा के चक्कर में no you have to no depress from this side. It's data like this. It's like this. No, not the camera, the whole frame. मतलब अरे नहीं, just थोड़ा सा ऐसे करना, थोड़ा सा. Yeah, so that's that. Yeah, you're good. So yeah, let's see how this works out for everybody today. I don't know, just keep long positions and होने वाला है. So cool. I'll be on mute. I'll just get some chai. आप लोग भी चाय लेके. फोन कर देता हूँ उसको। स्वाति मोदी, हाँ ये कितने हजार नंबर है? 119। गुड जॉब, चलो। थोड़ी देर तक ऊपर आएगा मार्केट बिकॉज इट्स शॉर्ट। India VIX is at 28. The last time India VIX volatility was at 28 was right on the day of COVID, या फिर मैच जब अपना इसके साथ हुआ था। So yes, here very much it's a big stake. 2nd March 2021 को India VIX was almost 100. Amazing. Today it's at 30. So what do you think, by the end of the day will it go to 50? Because Trump is not going to change his position. So let's check that out. So this recovery is just short covering, most likely. The news has not changed, so yeah, everybody wants to sell, so that's why the price is coming up. So I don't think we have to panic, any one of us. Don't think you can buy the dip. Don't have to buy the big dip because you know कि dip जो है वो और dip हो सकती है given the current conditions. So be careful when you're investing today also. You can type in some questions. There are some questions that I have today. I will talk to you guys about those questions in some time. Let's wait for the first 2-3 candles to settle up. I'll be on mute. Anybody who wants to have a question or just let me know. बहुत ही बट इतना प्रॉफ नहीं रहने का। मैं टकला इसलिए हूं क्योंकि मुझे बाल नहीं है। तुम इतने वेले क्यों हो? If you have a question about the market, you let me know. I will answer you that. इतने सारे क्वेश्चंस को मैं कैसे आंसर करूँगा? हाँ जी, व्हाट इज द क्वेश्चन? ये क्या लिखे जा रहे थे? उफ, no, this is for NSE, Nifty. Do you have a question about Nifty? तुम्हारा नाम नहीं समझ आ रहा. It's S work, so I can't address you. Show your setup. Oh, for what? Okay, S work. What setup? तुम्हें मेरी स्क्रीन देखनी है. You want to see my screen when I'm trading? Hmm. क्यों? Why? What do you want to know? What is it? Write your question, भाई. प्रोफेशनल का क्या करना है तुम्हें? कौन सा चार्ट ओपन है? बोल. क्या? What do you want to talk about? Write your question. बिना चार्ट के बात कर सकते. Whatever your question is, इसको लिख दो. I have 100 messages from you, पर कुछ क्लियर नहीं है. तुम बोल रहे हो मुझे स्क्रीन दिखाओ, चार्ट दिखाओ. आप अपना क्वेश्चन पूछो. मैं टकला क्यों हूं? Just answer. Just type what you want to type about. आपको जो क्वेश्चन पूछना वो पूछो. Do you have a question? Alpha Apollo. Alpha Apollo. I've never heard of Alpha Apollo. Alpha Laboratories? Yeah, Apollo. Apollo Tires. अपोलो माइक्रोसिस्टम, अपोलो टायर्स, किसके बारे में? दोनों एक साथ लिख दिए, कैसे बताएं? गिव मी लेवल्स फॉर दैट. ओके, गिव यू लेवल्स फॉर दैट. व्हाई शुड आई गिव यू एनी लेवल्स फॉर व्हाट? पहले अपने बारे में बताओ ब्रो, थोड़ा सा यू टेल मी अबाउट योरसेल्फ. ओके, लेट्स बी प्रोफेशनल, लेट्स बी फ्रेंड्स फर्स्ट, फिर बताता हूँ सब कुछ. मतलब गिव मी लेवल्स फॉर दैट, ऐसे कैसे होगा? अपना नाम तो बताओ. लेट्स स्टार्ट. थैंक यू. अल्फा अपोलो. Never heard of Alpha Apollo. Alpha Apollo. अल्फा और अपोलो दो अलग अलग है भाई. अल्फा इज अल्फा लैब्स एंड अपोलो इज अपोलो टायर्स. या अपोलो के तीन चार होते हैं. तो व्हाट आर यू टॉकिंग अबाउट? एम आई एंगेजिंग इन विद फॉर नथिंग? I'm sorry, let me check. I'm not sure. Alpha Polo is a single stock. मैंने सुना नहीं है. Let me check it. कोई बड़ी बात नहीं है. चार्ट रीडिंग क्या बड़ी बात है? Alpha Polo. What is it talking about? Am I missing something? Apollo tires. Is he just playing with me? I never heard of this Alpha Polo. Alpha Polo share. Apollo Pharmacy. Alpha Polo Tubes Limited. APL Apollo. Is he writing APL Apollo? What is he writing? He's writing APL Apollo. Oh, I'm reading Alpha Apollo. Oof. He's writing APL Apollo. Okay, APL Apollo. Okay, what do you want to know about APL Apollo? Tubes Limited. Okay. You want current levels? Oh, wow. Interesting. APL Apollo. APL is a Tubes Limited company. What do you want to know about it? Levels. क्या करना है तेरे को लेवल का? किस पे इन्वेस्ट करना है? कौन सा पोजीशन है तेरा? Only is in futures and options. Oh, you only trade in futures and options. अच्छा. आज के दिन do you have a position? Okay, what position? CE, PE, expiry कब की है? आज की? PE, okay. How much profit are you in? What levels? चलो profit मत बताओ. That's, I don't think you want to type it here. So just tell me, are you in profit? And at what percentage? Okay, good. What's your percentage profit? और अपना नाम भी बता दो साथ में. भाई इतना टाइप करा तूने, नाम ही नहीं बताया. At S work क्या होता है? 3% profit. Okay. So that's why you are scared. सुबह सुबह लिया है क्या? नाम लिख यार, पहले नाम लिख. 3% प्रॉफिट. ओके, गुड. कौन सा लेवल का पी लिया है? अभी खरीदा. ओके, कौन सा लिया पी? प्राइस बताओ और नाम बताओ. फर्स्ट टेल मी योर नेम. वी विल नॉट हैव दिस कॉन्वर्सेशन बिफोर यू टेल मी योर नेम. इन द मनी. ओके, नाम बताओ. देन टेल मी व्हाट यू वांट. Smith. Agent Smith. Okay, good. Very nice. I like your name. So you bought it just now in the money and you bought a PE. Okay. So I'm assuming कि तुमने खरीदा है. एक सेकेंड. तो APL Apollo का 1950. APL Apollo. If you bought it just right away, 1980 का होगा. In the money है तो 1980 का PE. And you were at 3% profit. 27 रुपए का. Okay. 1200 रुपए की इन्वेस्टमेंट है मेरी. ओके, 27 ले लेते हैं. लेट्स सी व्हाट इज 27 रुपए की. सो स्मिथ, व्हाट डू यू वांट टू नो? तुम क्या चाहते हो इसमें? तुम पैसा बनाना चाहते हो? यू थिंकिंग यू वांट टू मेक मनी मोर देन 3%? तो स्मिथ 1980 का अब पी का एक्सपायरी, आई एम अज्यूमिंग इट इज today's expiry, which is say tomorrow's expiry. Okay, so you can't make money on this beyond what you have right now because ये अपने intrinsic value पे चला गया ना bro. 30 रुपए पे चला गया. इसके ऊपर नीचे थोड़ी जाएगा. ये आज एक्सपायरी है इसकी. सो 1950 APL अपोलो का प्राइस चल रहा है और ये 27 रुपए का है, विच इज 1980 का पी. 30 रुपए का डिफरेंस है. सो दैट्स इट. यू विल गेट 30 रुपीज. द मैक्स यू कैन गेट इज 30 रुपीज. सो तुमने 30 रुपए के लिए तुमने ये पी लिया. इट्स या तो अगर ये एक्सपायर हो जाता आज, इफ APL अपोलो रियली गोज डाउन 28 April 22 2000 levels, now you are talking. Good, Smith, very nice. Where are you based out of and why are you so hostile? इतना गुस्से में क्यों है? Give me one moment and I will help you with something. But you will have to calm down a little bit. ये ऐसे एक तो तू उसमें टाइप कर रहा है पूरा का पूरा कैपिटल में. हाँ, इंटरेस्टिंग. ओके, 28 April 2000 लेवल. 1980 का नहीं, तूने 2000 का लिया. नाउ लेट मी लुक एट. At what level did you buy it, Smith? कितने पे खरीदा तूने? अरे, if we have to chat ना बाबा, then it will become hard, right? I can type here as well. No problem, we can chat. I don't. It's easier, simple conversations. What did you buy it at? Right now it's at 94. तुमने कितने में खरीदा इसको? 3% प्रॉफिट में है तो 0.9 95 में खरीदा तुमने 95 96 में $148 When did you buy that 140? कब खरीदा तुमने इसमें थी 148 तो उसका हाई प्राइस ही नहीं है अप्रैल मार्च के बाद अप्रैल आता है 82 okay 82 you bought it at 82 it's at 94 lowest पे खरीदा and now you want to know how come you're making 3% 82 10 1% 8 14 3% नहीं है ना ब्रो तेरे पास you don't have 3% right even if it is at 94 right now 3% कैसे होगा No, you were at 1.5%, तो तुमने 3 कैसे बोल रहे हो? Now at 14%. Oh wow. Okay, I'm sorry, I'm not getting you right. मैं देख रहा हूँ APL Apollo April 2000 PE. The price right now is 94. और अगर आपने उसको 82 में खरीदा है, so you should be in 1.5% profit. But anyways, you want to know the levels, and I'm not going to question you on all that. तुमको क्या चाहिए तुमको इसके लेवल्स चाहिए you want to know whether APL Apollo will go or not okay let me look at APL Apollo है क्या चीज steel tubes in India steel products For how many days do you want to hold it, APR Smith? आज ही चाहिए तुमको 1924 you're expecting So is it like a scalping 2 to 3 days? Okay, so तुम scalping कर रहे हो, you want to do, so see today is Monday, tomorrow is छुट्टी, okay? So ये automatically degrade तो हो ही जाएगा, right? So you will lose some of that money already, जो तुमने अभी दिख रहा था 14%, मतलब whatever that you're looking at 14%. So you will automatically degrade it. So but if the question is कि आज ये 1924 पर जाएगा, is that your if that's what you're trying to get at? 1924 Give me a moment. Let me run it through my algo also. Check करता हूँ. I don't think जाएगा 1924, but I will run it through my algo also. Just give me a moment. Do we have APL algo or APL follow on our sheets? If you have it on our sheet, just check it there. नहीं है तो मैं इसको अभी run कर रहा हूँ. मुझे I don't think supremely confident about it. No, it's not. It's something that we do. It's proprietary. It's not. It's something we have created.
Hey.
Hey, yeah. What are the levels? What is the trend today?
It's bearish one.
Bearish one. Okay.
At 1996.
1996.
Rupees.
It's a bearish reversal at 1996. When did it happen?
20 crore also.
Huh? Date?
20.
20th को.
20th.
Okay, okay. 20th को bearish from 1990. At what level? 1960 पे.
1996.
1996 पे. और कितना है इसका expected behavior?
Bear win rate?
हाँ? Bear win rate is what? Bearish reversal win rate कितना?
17%.
17% bearish win rate है.
और bull win rate 64.
2 मिनट bro. Let me do this. यहाँ पे करता हूँ वर्जन 2 में डालता हूँ. Nice. What do you create? No, we don't. We have a market. So we have a trend analysis algorithm, which is yeah, okay, good. But तू नाम तो नहीं बताया. You want to talk to me seriously? इतना गुस्से में शुरू हुआ था. At least crack a joke, huh? Be nice. I'm good. I love it. You have an algo. It is amazing, and it's a great feeling to have moved on from that conversation. Let's answer your first question, then go to the second question. No problem. That's totally okay. That's fine. Give me a moment. I'll run your APL Apollo, and then I will tell you. ये कहाँ से ले रहा है डेट? 06 सॉरी स्मिथ, गिव मी 2 minutes बड़ी. मैं देख रहा हूँ. 2 सेकंड रुक जा. मैं तेरा देख के बताता हूँ. Just give me 1 minute. ठीक है? तेरा APL अपोलो तो देख लूँ पहले. It's taking me some time. डेटा निकाल रहा हूँ. Newest tool. Yeah, I'm doing a data pull. So give me 1 moment. Okay, got it. Good. Today is 20. इतनी मेहनत मैं इसके लिए कर रहा हूँ. And I need it for today, right? B4 APL follow. Okay, we got APL follow. Good. Come on. So it's 1970. बस 9 साल का आ गया डेटा. Give me 2 minutes. दो मिनट buddy. I'm still pulling the data for you. So yeah. So you have to manage this big data set. तो problem होती है कि sometimes you got it. ठीक है. So I think we are close. ठीक है. So let's see what we do. Average point bearish reversal. Today it is in a bullish. $24,326. It was in a aborted position. Okay. Bro, it doesn't look like कि तेरा 1924 hit होगा. It doesn't look like that's happening. Because the best pullback that we have here is for 21 points. Bearish reversal is a 95-point pullback. Ooh, wow. 95 point. 1953 sale. Okay, we got it. So back with you. Yes, 1929. Whatever I. So 1951, 1929. See, you can. I don't think ये जाएगा. At 1924, it has already pulled back. It pulled back 50% based on what my algo says. Okay, I'm not saying कि because मैंने इस पे अभी तक deep study नहीं किया है. I've just done my first listing. So it doesn't feel like it will go up to 1929 आज में या आपके 2-3 दिनों में. पर yes, दूसरी बात ये जरूर है कि if you go for it, if you wait on it, तो इसमें decay हो जाएगा. Because tomorrow the new month will start and then you will see that original thing also coming out, right? थोड़ा सा वॉट प्रीमियम भी आ जाएगा इसके ऊपर, डीके भी हो जाएगा, so you may not get your expected results. That's what I think. 2-3 दिनों के लिए, because आपका कोई फंडामेंटल मोटिव नहीं है इसके ऊपर. इट्स अ स्टील कंपनी. अगर बढ़ता है वॉर, then the prices of steel will go down. मतलब the steel companies will be under pressure because of the energy needs and moreover the demand from the the economy. So you can see that happening. लेकिन अगर वो नहीं होता है, if the war does not go ahead, then it becomes a problem for you. You're sitting at a very thin margin at this point of time. So that's my assessment for you today. I want to see which algo is working best, yours or mine. Nice. I don't want to have a competition, but yes, I hope yours work. If you want to win, then you win. मुझे क्या करना है तुमसे compete करके? No, it's not in Python. It is, so there are two parts of it. One is in Excel, one is in Python. We have both of them. जो Python वाला था उसको हमने disband कर दिया because yeah, we don't need current data. So तब वो Python में था, but now it is in Excel. So we have one trend understander. It's almost like a 12,000 line code in Excel, which runs in Excel and which does end of the day work. That's what it is. You are asking Pine? No. What is your algorithm? So basically, what the algorithm, what we do is we run it on Nifty 500 companies और उनका trend निकालते हैं. And then when we analyze the trend. So I can tell you what is the accuracy of this. So let's say that let me give you an example of what my algo's last 3 signals were. Cool. So maybe it will give you some clarity. So we run it on Bank Nifty. My first on 19/2, okay, which is 19th of February, we got a bearish reversal on our algorithm, which is our algo, and that gave us 7,500 points of Bank Nifty. Then on 16th March, we got a bullish reversal, and that was a minus 700 points. And then on 20th again, we got a bearish reversal, and that is I think वो 53,125 पे था, and right now we are at 50,991. So almost 2,900 points we've got on the second. So in the last month itself, we have about probably 9,000 winning points between the algo that we have. So yeah. So the win rate is dependent. So the way we calculate win rate is that we calculate win rate based on the type of signal. So if it's a pure bullish signal, then 10-year win rate is 83. If it's a pure bearish signal, then it's 64. If it's a reversal signal, a bullish reversal, then 10-year win rate is 68. And for a bearish reversal, 10-year win rate is 55. So the fluctuation, the amount that we invest is based on this thing, what do you say, the win rate. So वो win rate से वो calculate करके बता देता है कि what do you have to do, types, कि कितना पैसा डालना है, कितने lots लेने हैं, कितना minimum size होना चाहिए, sort of that. We hold it until we get the new signal. So like I said, so there is a stop loss built in already, etc., etc. So and I'll give you examples again. So see, 20th Jan ko we got a bearish reversal. Okay, so that got us 300 points. Then on 4th Feb, I don't know if you're writing it down. कैसे verify कर रहा है तू? Single trades, yeah, one trade and you hold it because ज़्यादा trade करके fluctuate करके दिमाग लगाने के लिए time नहीं है. I'm here with you, but I have to, do other stuff also. But I love chatting with people. कभी-कभी कर लेता हूँ. But I don't have your name यार. तो अभी तक नाम नहीं बताया तूने. तूने मुझे Smith बताया, and I'm sure you're not Smith because I'm not Neo. तो फिर ठीक है, cool. Yes, I come live daily at 9:15 to 12, 9:15 to 12:30, and then 2:30 to 3:30. And every day at 4 a.m. I do the pre-market analysis. Or beach में we have the videos also. So we have all these three things coming, and weekend also. So you can watch my videos. I don't know if you are on my channel or not. I think you could go watch the weekly wala, which has been making some waves. So देख लो थोड़ा सा. You can explore the channel. No worries, that's fine. If you are new तो क्या होगा? New तो सब होते हैं, but तो you are new to trading and you are पहले था यार, we have taken all that out. We don't talk about the algo on our public profile because it's against the SEBI regulations also, so we can't do that. So अभी तो मैं, because I'm chatting with you, so I'm discussing with you, so that's it. But what would you like to know? If you want to know something, just let me know. We can have a chat discussion. सीधे कोई बहुत बड़ी बात नहीं है. I'm open. See, मेरा एजेंडा बहुत सिंपल है. बहुत ज़्यादा इमोशनल हो जाते हैं हम लोग ट्रेड करने के लिए, and we end up losing a lot of money. You know, I'll send you the link of Telegram. Yes. Are you on our channel? Are you a subscriber? Let me send you my email address. अगर कभी कुछ questions होते हैं तो you can always type it here and get back to us. I'll answer for it. कोई बड़ी बात नहीं. Make a note of that email address, or kabhi bhi if you want something, you could just basically email it to us, and somebody from my team or I will take care of it. Yes, appreciate it. And if you, I don't know if you are, when you said you are new, मेरा concern है कि अगर आप new हो और अभी आप trades में C और P कर रहे हो तो थोड़ा सा just be careful, don't lose your money. Just be careful, that's it. I know you are smart enough to manage it. You're new to my channel. Okay, cool. Yeah, explore it then. Take your time. Do what you like to. And you can always drop in an email to us. Kabhi bhi. Wow. You haven't told us about your algo. What does your algo do? Like, are you like a daily trader or like scalper, or do you wait on levels? How do you work? Nice. How can I see it? Google Meet, something like that. Oh, okay, that's cool. Do you mind if we can set up a meeting? What do you think? A 15-minute slot from 12:30 to 12:45. I'll get someone to send you an email invite. Does that work? I mean, if you're okay, ऐसा कोई वो नहीं है. If you're working on something for 7 years, तो I'm sure you have certain level. तो इसीलिए explore कर रहा हूँ. अरे ऐसा कोई वो नहीं है. I'm not looking for anything else. ठीक है. Just drop in a line. You have the email. You will, yeah. Let's do that. कोई ऐसा urgency नहीं है. You enjoy your office and you have a good day. ऑफिस में बैठ के पीसी खेल रहा है. जिगर वाला बनना है तो you are a जिगर वाला बनना. ठीक है, चलो. Great chatting with you, buddy. It was nice. Thanks for being here. Nice. Good job. That is so cool. So I'll sign off, buddy, Mr. Smith, and let's chat when you are, whenever you send me the invite, we'll set up the meeting and we'll do the rest of the chatting there. I have to switch off to something else. Your basic question on APL Apollo, I think I gave you my opinion on that. So I hope you get to that. So no worries. 12 p.m. I'll keep an eye out. होगा तो next time when we chat, हम उसको देख लेंगे. ठीक है? Signing off for Mr. Smith. Adios in some time. I'll keep looking. I'll keep looking at APL and Apollo. कि 1929 hit करता है कि नहीं. And I hope it does. Sorry, I was just working. Good. It is a solo game. You're right. हाँ गया तुम्हारा 1935. Nice. क्या जम मारा. बहुत बढ़िया. 1929 by 1230. Lovely. Yes, I'm the sounding board. Very nice. And that's how it is. Good, yeah. It's good progress. Very good progress. It's very hard if it is your मतलब it's so hard जब तुम when it's your when it's your like you are working ना तेरा तो primary source नहीं है, it's not your primary uh, source of money, it's an hobby that you want to get good at, and then maybe at certain point in time when you're really good at it you would like to leave it, है ना. तो वो एक that transition itself, that period is so hard because you have to learn और कोई सिखाता नहीं है अच्छे से. One of the reasons I'm here as a sounding board is because felt that I felt it is very hard to do it. Give me 10 minutes. मुझे एक काम खत्म करना, तो I'll be completely engaged with you in that time. Yeah. तुम थोड़ा reverse करके देख लेना. I am here in case you're reading. Give me 10 minutes to finish something. I don't look at charts ना continuously, busy नहीं रखता अपने आप को, इसीलिए I'm doing something else. So don't mind me doing that. I'll be here. But I'll keep you on mute because मैं बहुत गाली गलौज करता हूँ. सॉरी, आई वाज स्पीकिंग ऑन म्यूट। मैं बोल रहा था कि मेरा जो फर्स्ट वर्जन ऑफ एल्गो था वो यही था कि वी वुड run it on Nifty 500 and for the whole day वो हमको बताता था कि highs, lows, open and close with 96 to 98% accuracy for Nifty 500 stocks, and it was running all the time. वो हर एक second, sorry, every one minute it used to poll the data, run it. बहुत ही heavy application था. We had a big AWS server running it. T2 था हमारा, T2 भी नहीं था, T4 था I think. तो and we used to have an app. It was called Short Stocks. The website was called darkmatter.co.in. So yeah, ये सब हम करते थे तब for all Nifty 500. It was a plug and play. किसी पे भी कर सकते थे. We could do it on any stock in the world. It was a plug and play. Sorry, I'm trying to get that thing to you. 2 मिनट रुक जाओ. आ नहीं रहा इसमें विंडो. क्या चल रहा है? कैसे दिखाऊं? Why can't I share? Why can't I see this in the live screen? विंडो, हाँ विंडो में क्यों नहीं आ रहा ये? Why is it not coming? Chrome tab, entire screen. No, I'm not using OBS software. I'm just streaming it. File option display hardware. No, I'm on a Mac ना, तो ये Mac का थोड़ा security issues होता है. Give me 2-3 minutes में set करता हूँ उसको, दिखाता हूँ. तो it was working पहले, I remember. अभी गड़बड़ हो रही है. I'll be on mute. Mac is very येड़ा. परेशान करना है. देख, अभी I'm gonna share it. थोड़ा एक side, I'm the best that I can do. ठीक है? So just tell me when you see it. Dashboard. Do you see the dashboard on the left, on the right? Huh? Okay, good.
It's at the center.
So, okay, you can see it good. So see, that's how this thing works. It derives the data. We don't need the data. वो अपने आप ही करता है. I don't know what would you like to see. If you want to explain something, me to explain something, you tell me. ठीक है? Yes, this is the whole dashboard actually. And ये जो है, these are all signals. So see, basically the way it works is it identifies the trend. ठीक है? There are some parameters to identify the trend. वो पीछे से back से calculate होते हैं. And what you see here in this line, this whole thing, are the dates and the trend that you see. So ये देख, जैसे what I was talking about is कि 1902. Let me do a little bit more. Now can you see clearly? Is this better? So this is the dashboard. This is the date it was locked down. This is the levels it was locked down. 6/1/26 पे इसको final lock किया. Okay. So how many signals in last 10 years? 192. Average trades for every signal is 640. How many average win points? 1312. How many average trade days? मतलब gap कितना है? 15 days. ठीक है? ATR is true range. Average true range is 1.5. It's a fixed number. And gap is a 1.5. मतलब वो there is a decay, options decay of 77% that we are calculating. ठीक है? So currently the trend is bearish one, which means it's a bearish reversal. This is looking for Nifty bank. I can change anything I want to यहाँ पर, any signal I want. There is a short signal. There are two algos running here. This is the first one, which is trend analysis. The second one gives you second one is like a gamble. Oh, it works on raw data. So the principle is that we don't work on live data. We work on the data at the end of it. ठीक है? And now if you see, I'll just show you 5-6 rows. ये देख. So जैसे 21-2026. What it show for my ticker name. अभी what has happened is because to save resources ना, मैंने वो करके रखा है. क्या कहते हैं? इसको hard code करके रखा है data. So if I have to change the whole thing, तो मुझे पूरा change करना पड़ेगा. So it will take a little bit of work to get to your ticker code. But for your ticker code, APL this thing, So give me a moment, मैं वो change करके let me put you because resources नहीं तो otherwise बहुत fix हो जाता है. हाँ ठीक है, if you don't want me to do it, what happens is कि this pulls the data and then on the so what happens is यहाँ पे देखिए जो है ना data जो this pull data होता है, the data we pull, तो ये this whole data is hard coded यहाँ पर. So for your ticker I'll have to get all the data and paste it here etc. ठीक है, so I don't want to like rush through, ये देख लो. ठीक है, so ये बेस यूनिट्स है, द मल्टीप्लायर इफेक्ट है, इन्वेस्टेड वैल्यू है, कितना यूनिट है, यूनिट वैल्यू कितना है, एवरेज परसेंटेज प्रॉफिट कितना है. ठीक है, नाउ दिस इज 10 years accuracy for the signals. Bullish one is a pure bullish signal, bearish is a pure bearish signal. No, we are working on 1 day frame. This is a reversal, bearish bullish. These are the total number of points that we have captured in last 10 years. This is the total amount of money that we've made. 2 crores 58 lakhs, 25 crores actually. ठीक है, this is what ये क्या है? ये इस महीने का K6 by 10. ये तो I know this is the sum of everything. This is 1.4 crores, नहीं 14 lakhs. ठीक है, current year profit. So current year is this is 33 lakhs. ठीक है, so this is the whole current year is from Jan to Feb. अभी तक हमने calculate नहीं किया, we can easily do it. कितना हुआ Jan to Feb? So Jan to Feb is about 11 lakhs. And because ये current position नहीं count करेगा, तो current position you will not see. That's what it is. So see, this is the 4 signals in this year. First signal in Jan 26 minus 46,000. Second signal plus 2 lakhs. Third signal plus 10 lakhs. Fourth signal minus 85. और जो fifth signal है जो अभी मार्च का चल रहा है, उसमें we were bearish at 53,125. So which is on 20th 3. अभी क्या चल रहा है? I don't know what is the level now. अभी 5800 चल रहा है. तो 53,200 to 5800. 53,200 minus 5800. So we are at 2,400 points profit अभी. ठीक है, so this will again be 2,400 into 30. एक 5-6 लाख और होगा. So ठीक है, that's it. तो वो है. This is what. So forget about the profit. I don't think profit you should think about a lot. You should think about कि इसका accuracy कितना है, FY25 में 10 year कितना है. Don't look at those profit numbers to analyze an algo. What I think the best is कि how much accurate are you? How much can you believe it, right? उस पर focus करो. कितना profit कमाया वो secondary होता है. तो मुझे ये लगता है that's how I work. Cool. If you have questions, you tell me. मैं ऐसे हवा में नहीं explain कर सकता. हाँ, तो मतलब I'll just explain you last 4 signals. मुझे लगता है वो ज़्यादा आसान है समझने के लिए. ठीक है, तो आप देखो 21st 15th से शुरू करते हैं. If this is the number you want to work with. ठीक है, see. No, I made it myself. सब मैंने बनाया है बैठ के. If you see ये देखो, this is the total. ये जो है this is total points that we capture in every trend. तो अभी के 2000 और लगा दोगे इसमें, तो this is equal to 10,000 points from 15th 12th 2025 to now, which is almost 3 months. Cool. Can I move on now? Good. I know it's, see, the only reason I shared it with you was you feel lonely and I think, ऐसा लगता है बहुत, नहीं तो otherwise there is, ऐसा कोई वो नहीं है. If it helps you keep your calm, तो I will help you do a little bit of that, ठीक है? But when you're trading alone, it's the hardest thing, and I agree with you on that. It's one of the hardest things to do it yourself. Yes, please. Yes. Do share it with me. Is it at 1929? आ गया कि नहीं? 1940 पे चला गया वापस. ठीक है. I think it will come back. आएगा तुम्हारे लेवल पे. आएगा. अगर तुमने बनाया algo तो it will come back. I'm back. Yes. Yes, I live in Pune. Where are you from? No, no. No, not in Eon IT. We are on the other side of the town. We are in west of Pune. Eon IT is east of Pune. Yes, sure. Where are you based out of? One of the things that you may want to do is that if when you are meeting your friends who are doing some similar kind of work, so I would like to have a bigger community as well. मुझे लगता है कि the more of us speak with each other ना, तो it's much what do I say? It's much healthy. जितने लोग एक दूसरे से बात कर रहे हैं, so maybe you could introduce me to some others or introduce your friends to this channel. I'm not saying कि तुम 2000 लोग लाओ, but maybe 10 or more people. It just gives us more and more perspective. I have enough on my side here to come and talk. No, yeah, that's not something I can talk about actually. So we were, so see, I have all the qualifications, padhai, certifications, NISM, YEVO, but I don't have the SEBI registration, and SEBI registration needs another, as a company, I need to put in like 25 lakhs. Besides the cost of application, it has the cost of persons, etc. तो मैं वो नहीं कर सकता बिकॉज वो दे वांट टू शेयर उनको एल्गो भी चाहिए दे वांट फुल एक्सेस टू एल्गो एंड देन दे वांट टू लुक एट द एल्गो एंड से कि ये एल्गो सही है कि नहीं है तो मुझे लगता है कि मैं वो नहीं कर सकता क्योंकि मैं अपना एल्गो क्यों शेयर करूँ किसी के साथ वो भी सेबी में आई डोंट इवन नो कि वो किसके साथ शेयर कर रहा है तो दैट्स व्हाई आई कांट टॉक अबाउट इट हियर मतलब पानी में रह के मगर से बैर नहीं लेना चाहिए especially when we are too small. So that's why I don't talk about it. But we can have when we discuss, then those are the times when we can talk about many things in detail. In fact, if we have more audiences, I could have a live session where we can talk to people. I think that would be great. I feel some of the things that come through. आपका APL Apollo is running back to 1944. You have half an hour. Pressure is on you. Okay. Sorry, I'm just joking. ऐसा कोई I'm not trying to test you. मैं मजाक कर रहा हूँ. अपने हाथ में थोड़ी होता है एल्गो की और सबकी एक लिमिटेशन है. So that's totally okay. Okay. Cool. Sorry, I was speaking on mute. मैं कह रहा था हमारा एक और बंदा है who joins in regularly is मयूर. तो वो भी बड़ा he's a manja hua gambler actually. Very good. Last 2 times he's made 18 and then 40% profit. But yeah. Full time, yeah, I have this whole company. हम लोग ये content and trading सब साथ में ही करते हैं. I have started doing live sessions just few days back. I think 2 weeks ago. So yeah. आप क्या करते हो? What do you do? No, not my wife. My wife is a वो अलग काम करती है. That's my team. What do you do in IT? Good. What language do you code in? Python? Or do you have any specialized skill? And who do you work for? That's classic hustle. बहुत बढ़िया. Such an inspiring story. Lovely. Nice. Great, great. Smith, yeah, give me some time. I'm back to work a little bit. I'll come and chat with you. Yeah. In case you have any question about, goods, good, ask me that and I'll let you know. Yes, Smith, I'm back. Nice. You're saying, oh wow, you have some good amount of experience on all things, database भी, languages भी, wow. ERP as well. तो तुमने मतलब हर जगह काम किया. Money is secondary actually. Keep it as long as you like the work. So Smith, I will actually shut off at 12:15, and then I'll join back at 2:30 and 2:30 to 3:30. Okay. तो आई होप उसके बीच में आपका जो वो बढ़िया वाला प्ले था comes back alive. It goes back to 1930 by 2:30, and we will check it up then. In case you have any questions, drop me an email. मैंने आपको email भेजा है. We can actually set up a meeting sometime today or maybe tomorrow or any time. है ना, या तो जब भी तुमको टाइम, just let's communicate through email. वहाँ से शुरू करके we can actually get to a time. And I would love to see your algo. बहुत ही 7 साल से काम कर रहे हो. Very excited. क्या बनाया तुमने? So, and मतलब 7 years is a long time. You know, it's so much of dedication. So I totally appreciate that. It's so cool. And I'm hoping, मुझे लग रहा है तुमने कुछ बहुत ही वो बनाया है. I would like to see कि what is the fundamental thesis behind it. क्या किया तुमने? Why do you think the price movement is happening versus etc. etc. You know, those are some interesting facts. So yeah, when you code, you let me know. कि sorry, when we have this meeting, तुम बताना मुझे कि how do you know deal with those issues. Piece by piece, nice. Line by line, bro, line by line. I will log out at 12:15. Trump, as expected, has made a comment that negotiations with Iran are going very strong, etc., etc. Because वो pre-market, route भी देखना है, उसको पसंद नहीं है ये सब. So let's wait for him to actually make something. बोलने के अलावा कुछ कर ले. And in the meantime, don't get carried away with all these great trades. अपना बचा के रखो. The volatility is very high. So stay focused and don't trade into the volatility. I'll log off in 6 minutes, and that should be that. In case you have questions, type them here. That'll be cool. ट्रम्प काका की जय, yes.